Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Capricorn. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Capricorn, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards, guys. Capricorn. We have Knight of Swords, Page of Pentacles, and Chariot in reverse. So Capricorn, in your situation today, guys, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are maybe involved in some kind of arguments or some misunderstandings maybe in this relationship. You want to prove your point and this person is not listening to you, or maybe they want to prove they are right and you are not listening. So some kind of misunderstandings, arguments may be there in this connection, guys, or maybe for some of you some kind of arguments in your work situation. So you want to do things in a particular way, but the people who are working with you, they are not listening to your ideas maybe. So again, that may be the reason for some kind of troubles, and they are resisting your ideas and they are opposing, guys. So though you are in a good position, maybe you are their mentor, you have a lot of experience and you know what to do or how to proceed with things, but still people are not listening to you, or they are simply against you, opposing your ideas maybe, and they want to do things their way, guys. So that may be the reason for some trouble, stress. Maybe you are arguing, trying to prove your point, but whatever it is, guys, you are not seeing a good understanding with the people. So even in your relationship, that may be the case. So if there are some misunderstandings, maybe this person is not understanding you, Capricorn. But I also see that there is someone coming to visit you. Maybe this person may be your friend, or this may be a common friend, or this may be someone from your family. So they are coming with some news maybe, guys, and it may be a good news for most of you. So this person coming with some kind of good news is changing the way things are. Maybe it is bringing down the heat in your situation, maybe your anger or stress. And this person bringing you some positive news maybe regarding the work. Maybe that may be the reason you are arguing with the person you love, or maybe in your work. So good news is changing the way things are today for you all, guys, and you are going to be extremely lucky, because that is helping you to avoid further difficulties today in your situation, guys, Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and first crystal. This is your second card and second crystal. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. So let's start the reading with the first card, guys. For those who chose this card and this crystal. So we will keep this card aside. So this is the card for y'all, guys. Be content. So it just means serenity, acceptance and peace in our situation. So how do we find contentment in our circumstance? We face a lot of struggles, stress, and we fear everything in our situation. Maybe it is time we find that space within ourselves where we are able to accept certain things as they are. Maybe it is time we accept it as they are to give us that peace of mind. So this does not mean that you need to be complacent. It just contentment. It just means that accepting everything in our life as it is. Maybe certain things we are able to change, we have control over. But certain things which we cannot control, we should not let those things hijack our life, take control of us. So you need to embrace the things that you can change for the better, both in your internal and external environment, and working on to make the necessary changes one step at a time. But for those changes which we cannot change or which we do not have any control, we must accept it as it is and do not feel any pain or feeling lost because we are unable to control that circumstance or that choice or that person. So whatever it is, guys. So living one day at a time, not worrying about the past or stressing about the future. So that will also help to bring peace of mind, harmony, balance and serenity in our hearts, guys. So that is the angel's guidance with this card for y'all, guys. For those who chose this card, this is the time for peace and happiness, and the way to do that is accepting your situation as it is without stressing. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, it says building blocks. So in our life, in this situation, maybe we are making a great progress in our life and things are gaining momentum right now in our situation, and it is an extraordinary time to focus on the things that are important to us today, guys. Maybe in this relationship, it just means that we are moving towards some new connection, some new relationship, or we are making the existing relationship much more better. We are laying that strong foundation. And how to have that strong foundation in this connection? We must build it on honesty, humility, clear understanding, and that desire and that love to know each other, understand each other. So by doing that, we are forming a strong foundation in this relationship, and that way this relationship will withstand any storm or any tough time that we face together, and it will help us to repair and strengthen this connection we have with each other, and we both will grow wiser, powerful and stronger together. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So in the same way, even in our work situation, the right way to build a strong foundation in our career is by having that positive intentions. So whatever dreams and aspirations we need for us to reach the goals we have in our life, we must feel inspired to do that, and we should march on towards the truth with that truth in our heart. So we want to achieve certain things, we must put our honest efforts, so that way we will be able to reach success very soon, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.